So looking at question number 3, we are being asked to use greater than, equals, or less than. So this is greater than, and this is less than. All right, so I'm going to kind of use a number line to help me. So here's my 0. Well, 3 would be over here. -3 would be over here. So 3 is further to the right, so therefore it is greater than. So now I have 12 and 24. Well, here's my 0. Here's 12. Here's 24. So 12 is less than because it's to the left of 24. All right, now I'm on the negative side, so I have 0 here. Let's put -12 here, -24 here. So -12 is to the right of -24, so therefore it is greater than. 5 and the opposite of -5. Well, here's 0, here's 5, here's -5. Now, what is the opposite of -5? The opposite of -5 is 5. So now I have both of them are 5, so that is equal. Now I have 7.2 and 7. Well, they're both positive. So here's 7, and then right next to it would be 7.2. So which one? 7.2 is to the right of that, so that is greater than 7. All right, we're on the negative side now. So I have 0 here. This would be -7, and this would be -7.2. Remember, because on the left-hand side, on the negative side, the numbers go backwards. All right, so -7.2 is smaller because it's to the left, so that is less than. -1.5 and -3/2. Well, I've got this in decimal form and this in fraction form, so I need to make them in the same form so I can compare them. So -3/2 equals -1.5. Well, I know -1.5 equals -1.5. All right, and this one, let's go ahead and do a number line. -4/5. Well, if I call this -1, -4/5 is going to be about right here. -5/4. Well, if I convert that into a mixed number, that's -1 and 1/4. So that's right here. So this is to the left, so that's the smallest one. So -4/5 is greater than -5/4 because it's to the right of it. All right, looking at this, well, we don't have a common denominator, so I really can't compare them because they're both negative. So if I make them have a common denominator, let's see what we can do. So can I reduce -6/10? Well, that is really -3/5. So these are equal to each other. All right, this one, we have 0 here. If I call this -2/3, and this is +1/3, well, this one is further to the right, so this one is less than.